Hello, I'm Tilly, and this is week 22 of £5 Friday. And this week I went shopping at HomeBargains and spent £4.90. Now, what £5 Friday is all about is spending a little bit each week to buy some food to put in our prepping pantry. So if funds get a little bit tight, we can always fall back on the food that we've already got and not worry about having to spend more money. So you can put away as little or as much as you like. I try to put away about £5 every week, there or thereabouts, but you can spend £1 or £2, £3, £10, whatever you want. Or you can just get one extra item a week and put it away for when things get a bit difficult. So we're already on week 22. So that only leaves us another 2 weeks. So when we've done 24 weeks, I'm going to be showing the whole lot and answering all the comments. So if there's anything you want to know about the stuff that we've got, any of the stats so far, just put it in the comments and I'll answer your questions in the video, the final video. Because it'd be really interesting to see just how much of this stuff that we've got after 6 months. So 24 weeks is quite a lot of stuff in the prepping pantry already, and I'm really rather excited to get it all out again and to show you what we've got. So what have I got this week? Well, this week is a different one for me. I've not done this before. So what I did mug shots. I got all the same product, just different flavours. So these are really handy to have in the prepping pantry because you've always got something in and you've always got some food at hand and you get a lot for £5. Now these are 49 pence each at HomeBargains. I've seen these in Tesco for £1 each. So if I see them for 50p, that's when I tend to stock up on them. I think £1 at Tesco's was a bit outrageous, but there you go. Now, what we've got is the roast chicken flavour. Now, this is flavoursome roast chicken pasta. Now, all you do with these is you add hot water to these in a mug, leave it a couple of minutes, give it a stir, leave it a couple of minutes, and you've got a nice, tasty little food snack. So they're really, really good. And the date on these, because some people have been asking for the use by dates, this is November 2024. But these will last, I don't worry about these dates at all. These will last a long time after that date. So we've got 4 roast chicken flavour. We've got 4 tasty chicken and mushroom noodles. And we've got 2 tangy sweet and sour noodles. Now, I'm not so keen on the sweet and sour one, but Neil likes it, so we get those in for him. These 2 are my favourite flavours. The roast chicken and the chicken and mushroom. There's lots of different flavours. There's cheese, there's curry flavours. They're really nice, all the flavours. There's tomato ones, but these 2 are my favourites. Neil also likes these, so that all works out nicely. So just try them, see what you think to them, and find your favourite. So if you already buy these, just let us know what your favourite is, and if we haven't already tried them, we can give them a go. And these are also good if you're trying to watch your calorie intake, you watch your weight, and because it's got less, this one has got less than 2% fat, 272 calories per sachet. These have less than 1% fat, 219 kcals per sachet. And this one, less than 1% fat, 263 kcals per sachet. So really handy if you're trying to watch your weight as well. So this is my £5 Friday for this week. Like I say, if you've got any questions that you want answering in the final video, where we go over everything that we've got so far, just leave a comment below this video and I'll answer as many as the comments as I possibly can and answer all your questions. So I hope that's helpful for you. If you like these mugshots, nip over to HomeBargains, 49p, so you can't go wrong at that price. If you haven't already seen the other videos, I'll leave the playlist in the description below this video, so feel free to nip over and have a look at the other videos. It might give you some inspiration if you're just starting your prepping pantry. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.